Hey friends, it's me, Jenny. In this video, I'm going to show you how I did these amazing nails. I used Madam Glam clear gel polish mixed with this sheer pigment, and then I put gold foil flakes and gems on top, with just a couple of butterflies. Oh my god, I did not. As you can see, I've completely transformed my area so we can do some nail art. By the way, I went to the craft store recently and I got orange and black glitter, and I put the orange glitter on top of black nail polish and it looks super green. And I got these awesome little magnetic nail holders, and I figured out that you get this tacky white clay stuff and you can use a tiny little ball of it to stick a nail onto this little holder, and then you stick the nail right on top. Makes it really convenient for when you're trying to practice a new design or a new polish that you got. For myself, I didn't want to fully commit to putting the nail polish on my nails every single time, so I'm really excited to do some practice nails. I'm using the UV LED light from Madam Glam that came with the kit that they sent me, but unfortunately I'm a little bit rough with it and I already broke off one of the legs, so now I just have to hold it with my hand when I'm curing. I've seen that other people have bigger lamps. I haven't really shopped around too much, so if you have a suggestion for a better, bigger lamp, then let me know. So first what I did was I chose the correct sizes for the nail extensions. I'm also new to the e-file. I used the e-file just a little bit on each of the nails on the inside to roughen the surface. I just used rubbing alcohol to the nail beds before applying the nail extensions. I used Madam Glam base gel to cure the extensions onto my fingernails. By the way, thanks again to Madam Glam. They also sent me this breast cancer awareness pack with these really pretty colors, and I'll be sure to use these pinks and red for the holidays. Both for breast cancer month, but also maybe the red for Halloween and for Christmas and for Valentine's Day. I can't wait to try all these different pretty colors. I also happen to have some loose pigments and glitters. I ended up using this white pigment. I used a few drops of the base gel and I mixed the white pigment and I mixed it up really well on a piece of foil, and then I put it on the nails. After applying the sheer white pigmented gel and curing that, then I started to apply this awesome metal foil, and I just love this gold ass foil. I got it from off of Amazon through the company called Beetles. The Beetles nail art kit came with a few different things, including gold and silver flakes, little butterflies, and a bunch of different gems. I don't think they're actual Schwartzian, I don't know how to say it, Swartzy crystals. Anyway, there are lots of different kits, but I went ahead and tried to get a modest kit because even though I was really excited about it now, we'll see if I'm still obsessed with gel nails in another 6 months, and if so, then we'll get more crystals and stuff. Anyway, I was just in love with the way these turned out. I used this little daughter, I think that's what they're called. It's like a rubber daughter that came with the nail art kit. And I used the rubber daughter thing to pick up the foil flakes and the gems. Usually what I would do is just put a thin layer of base gel on my nails, and I didn't want to mix up glitter with my regular gel by accident. So what I did was anytime I use the clear gel on top of glitter or gold flakes, I'll use a separate brush, and I don't have a bunch of little mixing cups just yet, so I was just using foil. I heard about this thing called flash curing, so whenever I would put multiple items on the nails, then I would just flash cure it. Especially the bigger gems, if they look like they're going to slide around or whatever, I would just hold them under the light for a few seconds and let them flash cure, and then move on to the next thing. One thing I noticed is that it's kind of unnecessary to put a whole bunch of top coat on top of the gems, because I did that one time and the gel was actually pretty thick, so it was a little bit I kind of overdid it in that case. After I was done pasting all the different elements on top of the nails, such as the gold foil And I did put a couple butterflies, but I decided not to go too overboard on those. Basically, it was just the sheer powder mixed with gel, and then I put on the gold flakes and then the gems on top. And then I put a bit of top coat. I tried not to put too much top coat like on top of the gems, and instead I would just put it around the gems. I'm really obsessed with the look of encapsulated glitter and flowers and stuff, but I have a long ways to go before I'll really be able to get that look, I think. Hopefully in the future we'll understand polygel better and maybe try some of those really cool looking encapsulated glitters and stuff. And at that point we might want to put more gel on top, but for this look I kind of just wanted the gems to be resting on top of the nail instead of inside gel. I hope that you like the way the nails turned out, friends. I have to admit, it's only my second or third time using the nail extensions, and maybe like my 5th time ever using gel nail polish for a full manicure or pedicure. I'm having a lot of fun, and I already foresee myself making a few more videos of this nature in the future, so be sure to give it a thumb up. Let me know if you liked it. If you happen to know a better method, or if you see a way that I can improve. Definitely the green nails I feel like needed the most improvement, but I just wanted to show you because I did the green, I wanted them to be orange, you know, I was trying to go for a black and orange theme for Halloween, and they turned out super green, and I still liked it because it's like autumn theme, and it's kind of like this time of year. Green is really nice as well, alright? I love green, it's actually one of my favorite colors. I should have done a practice nail with the orange glitter on top of the black polish ahead of time, so I wasn't so surprised, but it was really fun experimenting, and when I was doing my non-dominant hand, I was kind of just freestyling and I was open to whatever it wound up looking like. I can't wait to try that orange glitter again because it's so awesome and pretty, you know what I mean? And it seems like it glows under black light, so I definitely can't wait to try it again. Thank you very much for watching, and let me know if you have any suggestions for future videos. I was basically a die-hard nail polish person for the longest time, and I would love to show you my regular nail polish collection one of these days, so let me know if you're interested in seeing my regular nail polish collection. I feel like I've retired it now. I'm all about the gel nail polish now. I can't even imagine a time when I'm going to want to go back to my regular nail polish at this point. Thanks again for watching the video. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel, and just to let you know, I'm elsewhere online as well, on Facebook and Instagram, DIY with Jenny, and I have a couple of other accounts as well for gaming and game development and stuff like that, so last but not least, special shout out to my Patreon supporters. Thank you. Thanks to Ramon, Liana Sin, Amanda Heels, KT Persona, Overdrive 66, and Blue Glacier. Thank you very much, friends, and thanks to my Twitch subscribers as well. Have a great day, friends, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.